Are you willing to install solar system in Nigeria and you don't know how to budget for it? This content is for you. If you're planning to install a small package for yourself, the one that I usually called I pass my neighbor solar system, which is 1 kVA to 1.5 kVA, you should be planning between 800,000 and 900,000. If your engineer is to use the best material for you, the money should be okay. So with that money, you are fine. And don't forget, with that money, we only have 220 AH battery, which is tabular battery. And that's for that. Number 2 set of people is those ones that are using 2.5 kVA to 3.5 kVA 24 volts. With your 1,500,000, 1,700,000, you are good to go. I'm telling you the truth. Just keep that. And I'm telling you, as of Nigeria of today. Number 3 is, if you are among the set of people that want ads, that your load is between 5 kVA to 7.5 kVA, and you still want to manage with your 2,500,000, 3,000,000, 3,500,000, depending on the product he wants to use for you and your own mini recommendation, the money should be okay for you. If you are now planning to do solar system worth of 7.5 kVA inverter to 10 kVA, 15 kVA, 20 kVA, in that stage, no engineer can give you a single price. It is your specification that is going to accumulate the price. From 7.5 kVA upward, I do call the set of people the big boys. Because from 7.5 kVA to 10 kVA, for instance, now if you want to buy original 10 kVA inverter, you will be having like 900,000, 1,000,001, depending on the brand that you want to buy, if you want original. And for someone that wants to use inverter of 10 kVA, nobody is going to tell you to buy 10 kilowatt battery. So the average battery that the list of battery that you should buy is 15 kilowatt battery. So at that stage, nobody can tell you the specific amount. Because, and as of today, if you want to buy original 15 kilowatts, you'll be looking at 1,800,000, 2,500,000, depending on the brand that you want to buy. So at this stage, no engineer can give you a specific amount. If you only ask you and audit your house to tell you the number of hours that the accumulated power consumption that you'll be consuming based on the hour that it calculated for you. And that is what is going to use to, calculate the type of battery is going to get for you. So from that side, that is where you are going to be seeing engineer demanding for 5 million, 7 million, 10 million, even up to 50 million. Yes, people are using 50 million to install. You can't want to install solar in your hotel and expect someone to be calling 5 million for you. Your hotel that have 15 rooms with AC, and he wants to power them all over the night, you should be thinking about 30 million, 40 million, if it's even enough. And that is it. Don't forget the program Remain GW City Show. And my name is Kolawole Emmanuel Adebare. I am also the owner of GW City Solar Ibadan. Don't forget, if you reside in Southwest Nigeria, you can call me. There's no place in this area that I don't know, and there's no place in that area that I can't come to install your solar system for you. Kindly reach out to us. My contact is 070 67 06 71 59. 070 67 06 71 59. And my other number is 0812 613 9200. Don't forget, GW City Solar loves you. Peace. call on me. I'm here to help you.